Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-string fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a kind of beginner intermediate level fingerstyle arrangement of Autumn Leaves. For this one we're in standard tuning and I've placed a capo onto the 2nd fret. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you'd like the guitar tab, that's available down below. Just before we get into it, if you'd like to get early access to all of my lessons, 25% off tabs, and you want to try out any of my courses, fingerpicking courses, completely for free, then sign up to my weekly newsletter. You get all of that, plus a whole lot more. It takes 2 seconds. You can sign up below. You won't regret it. So the first few bars go... Okay, so the chords there, speaking as if there were no capo, D minor 7 to G, to C major 7, then F, and then it's B minor 7 flat 5 to E, or E7, and then to A minor. Okay, so we begin with this little walk up. So that there is starting on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then on the 2nd string it's open 1. The falling leaves. So once you play those 3 notes, then hold down your D minor 7 chord. Okay, so it's just an F chord without your 3rd finger. D minor 7. Hold that down and play strings 1 and 4. Okay, and then we're going to play the 3rd string, then the 4th, and then the 2nd, and then the 3rd. So it's just a finger picking pattern really. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So like that. That goes to G, so just hold down the bass note of a G chord. Play that. Okay, then you're going to play the 4th string. And then on the 3rd string, play open 2. Sometimes I pick that, sometimes I hammer. It's totally up to you. Followed by open 2nd string. So just... So far you've got... And then just go to a C major 7. If you don't know what that is, it's really simple. It's just a C major chord, but take off your 1st finger. It's just that. Hold that down, play strings 1 and 5. And then we do the same pattern that we did on the D minor 7 basically. So we play strings 1 and 5, then 4, and then 5, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So same thing, but just here. Okay, and then from there it goes to an F. And what I'm doing here, I'm holding down the 1st fret on the 6th string, and then on the 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 3rd fret. Start like that and play strings 6, and then 5, 4, and then open 3, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So like that. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So that's the first 4 bars. From there it goes to B minor 7 flat 5, which is a really nice chord. It's this here, so I'm holding down 2nd string 3rd fret, and then on the 3rd string it's the 2nd fret, on the 4th string it's the 3rd fret, and on the 5th string it's the 2nd fret. So 3, 2, 3, 2. Hold that down, play strings 2 and 5 together, and then we just do our pattern. So we play strings after that 4, and then 5, 3, 4. So just... Okay, so not too tricky. And then it goes to E, hold down an E chord, play strings 6, 5, 4, and then you're going to play the 4th fret on the 4th string. So that might be a bit of a stretch, but that's what you play. And then play the 3rd string. So 1, 2 and 3, 4, and then to A minor. Hold down your A minor, and again we do exactly the same pattern that we did on the B minor 7 flat 5 chord. So that's strings 2 and 5, followed by 4, and then 5, 3, 4. So from the E we've got okay, and that's really it's once through the progression here. So back to the start, we've played D minor 7 to G, C major 7 to F, B minor 7 flat 5 to E, to A minor. From there, stay on your A minor and play the 5th string, then the 4th string, and then look, it just starts again. We just go through the whole thing all over again. So on that A minor, you play the 5th string, the 4th string, and then it's going to be the 3rd string, 2nd fret, open 2nd string, 1st fret on the 2nd string, straight back to your D minor 7. And you just, basically you go through it all again, and it's exactly the same as before. G, C major 7, same as before, and F, same as before, B minor 7 flat 5, same as before, but once you get to the E, you don't go, instead you go like that. So exactly the same right the way up until the E. So hold that down and play string 6, and then you're going to play strings 4, 3, and then it's the 3rd fret on the 2nd string to the 1st fret, and then to your A minor. Okay, so instead of, you're going to play, okay, and then A minor, play strings 2 and 5, okay, and then 4, and then 5, 2, 4, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then the last bar we're going to play still on A minor, the 5th string, the 4th string, and then we're going to play on the 3rd string, frets 1, 2. So just the A minor. And that's how you play this verse to Autumn Leaves. The falling leaves drift by my window. The autumn leaves are red and gold. So again, your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hands, and then I used to hold. And then you're into the next section. Went away, the days grow long, and soon I'll hear a winter song. But I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves. Okay, so this part. So we've gone, and then we went on the 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd fret, and then it's back to our B minor 7 flat 5, but all you need to do now is just hold down the 2nd fret on the 3rd and the 5th string, and then the 3rd fret on the 4th string. Hold that down and play the 2nd string open with the 5th string. Okay, then we just do our light pattern on that. So then it's the 4th string, and then 5, 3, 4. So that then goes to E, so hold that down, and you've got, okay, then it goes to A minor. So on the E chord, hold that down and play the 6th string, then the 4th, then the 2nd, then you're going to play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open 2nd string. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, since you went away. and then A minor, hold that down, and we just do a pattern on that. So second and fifth string, followed by 4, and then 5, 3, 4. Okay? One more bar of A minor, you've then got... So that's just fifth string, fourth string, and then on the second string play a 1 open 1. Okay, that goes to D minor. Hold down your D minor and play strings 2 and 4, and then 3, and then 4, 2, 3. So it's just a pattern really, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then we've got... So that's just on a G chord, so play the bass note of the G chord, and then strings 4, 3, and then on the top string play frets 3, 1, so 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then to a C. Okay, so, or a C major 7, doesn't matter here. You're going to play strings 1 and 5, and then just the pattern, so the fourth string, and then 5, 3, 4. So from the D minor, a winter song. Then we stay on C for one more bar, play the fifth string, then the fourth, then the third, and then on the second string play frets 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And then it's B minor 7 flat 5, but we're going to play it like this. Because you've got... Okay, so here I'm holding down the first fret on the top string, the third fret on the second string, and then the second fret on strings 3 and 5. So a bit fiddly, but that's what we're going for. Hold that down, play strings 1 and 5 together, and then 1 again. So, okay, and then the third string, then the fifth, and then on the second string play frets 3, 1. So, miss you most of all, my darling. Okay, and then to A minor, Lynn. So we hold down our A minor chord, then play the fifth string, and then the open top string. So from the E it's like... Okay, and then stay on your A minor, play the fourth string, and then strings 5, 3, 4, 2, and then 5, 4, 5, 3, 4. Okay, so like that. And then go back to your B minor 7, just like we played it the first time. Okay, and play strings 5, and then 4, 3, 2, and then play the first fret on the second string. So like 1, 2, and 3, 4. That goes to our E chord. Hold that down, play strings 2 and 6, then 4, and then I'll play the fifth string, and then it's first fret on the second string, followed by open, and that leads us back to our A minor. So A minor, I'll play strings 3 and 5, followed by 4, and then 5, 3, 4, 2, okay, and then 5, 4, and then it just all starts again. Back to the verse. Straight back to that. So let's go back to the beginning of the section where we walk into the B minor 7 flat 5. The days go soon I'll hear a winter song, but I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves start to fall, and then you just back to the verse, and you can go around all of that all over again, and that's it.